Some people say that LKIMM has developed into a veteran enterprise with strong strength in equipment manufacturing after half a century of exploration and breakthroughs. That is true. Our products have been applied to all walks of life. However, you may not really know about us. Driven by the spirit of craftsmanship and innovation, we constantly push ourselves to keep pace with the times. In 2021, we established an innovative platform, Beijing University of Chemical Technology, LK Injection Molding Machine Advanced Injection Molding R&D Center, to attract more outstanding talents. With the exploration, development, and creation of advanced technologies, we seek for more possibilities of products continuously. Our cutting-edge technologies are applied to automobile, medical, and other industries. We have always followed the strategies of upgrading the large injection molding machines with two platen systems and the small ones with an electrical solution, microfoaming, composite materials, and multi-component injection molding technologies. Upgraded with high polymer materials, the injection molding machine will be more intelligent, efficient, precise, and environmentally friendly. Better products rely on more advanced technologies. With our precise and rigorous testing system, injection molding can be completed smoothly in an intelligent manner. Each process is guarantee of quality. We have realized intelligent transformation from technological innovation, modularization scheme to integrated supporting facilities. With almost half a century of deep study and exploration, we give the answer to the quality of industrial manufacturing. If quality and innovation are the cornerstones for winning customers' trust, the global production and sales network distribution make our service more sustainable, professional, and comprehensive. LK always strives for customer success. Meanwhile, aiming at the global question of environmental protection and green economy, we constantly transform the industry to be intelligent, green, and flexible.
Let's work together to find a sustainable way, which is nature-friendly, and to offer more possibilities to the world.
We aspire to change and expect to make changes. LKIMM. Shape the future, shape the world.